anybody's looking for a decent concrete sealer that's affordable, it's Valspar protective sealer at Lowe's. It's like 38 and some change. Get yourself a bug sprayer. Get you a nice little thin patch. Kind of has a purplish haze to it. And then a simple paint roller. And even that thing out. It's super easy. Whatever brush strokes you see, they flatten out within 10 or 15 minutes as it starts to dry. I'll go ahead and give this to Stranger. Yeah, there we go. This is the gloss, so I'll show you what I've already done here. And that's within the last 45 minutes or so. It's starting to dry, it flattens out, the haze goes away. When it comes out, it's got the consistency of like a milk. You kind of see it churning around in there. Super easy, super affordable. So, quick product review there for you. If your wife wants that wet look, and she does, and we do too, boys, this is what you need. Let me let this dry overnight, and then I'll show you all what it looks like tomorrow. All right, it's next morning. Oh, it is shiny. Looks the same because it's just, there's no stain in it, but does it bead? Apparently it works. So here's the change in, God dang it, get up there, contrast. Unsealed, sealed, you can tell that side's a little bit more glossy. Very nice, Clark.